Hello everyone. I extend a warm welcome to you all, whoever has taken the course on mechatronics and microcontrollers. I will be giving you a basic information regarding the course with a small presentation over here. We will discuss first the course syllabus, the learning objectives of the course layout, and then the evaluation process. This course on mechatronics and microcontrollers is a 5-week short-term course. In the first week, you will be having an introduction to mechatronic systems, the different mechatronic systems, components and functions of mechatronic systems, microprocessor-based controllers, and so on. Second week, you will be having a small review on different electrical and mechanical devices that can be used when you are constructing mechatronic systems. Nowadays, we find a very important part or a very important component of mechatronic system is a microcontroller. So in the third week, you will be learning about 8051 microcontroller and its architecture. Fourth week, you will be learning how to program the 8051 microcontroller by learning the different addressing modes and different instructions of 8051. In the last week, you will be learning how to interface 8051 with different devices like ADC, DAC, motors, and so on. So this course is an introductory course to know about mechatronics and microcontrollers or the importance of microcontrollers in designing mechatronic systems. At the end of this course, you will be able to describe mechatronic systems. You will be able to list out the different electrical and mechanical devices which are available if you would like to construct mechatronic systems. You will be able to write simple programs for 8051 microcontroller. You will be able to design simple mechatronic systems. You will be able to work on simple mechatronic based projects. Now let us see the course layout and evaluation process. Every week we have divided the course content and there is an evaluation strategy being applied. In the first week, as you know, you will be learning Introduction to Mechatronic Systems. There is a quiz of 10 marks. Second week, you will have a review on different devices used in mechatronic systems. Again, there's a quiz of 10 marks. And in the third week, you will be learning about 8051 architecture. So right now we have listed it as a quiz of 20 marks. It could be a quiz or it could be a crossword or it could be a puzzle set which you have to solve. Fourth week, you will be having a programming assignment submission since you will be taught 8051 programming. We will be defining different problems for a particular set of problems or for a single problem which will be informed to you later. You need to write the solution and you need to submit it. And in the last week, we will teach you how to interface 8051 with different devices. And once it is done, you don't have any quiz or any submission assignment over here, but you need to work on a small project where the list of projects will be given to you. You can pick up any one and you can work on a particular project, prepare a report on it, and then you need to submit it, which carries 40 marks. So totally you have 100 marks being given for this particular course. At the end, here are a few points. It's a 5-week short-term course of 100 marks. So you have to score a minimum of 50 marks to get a certificate. And project is a very important component. So even if you get 50 marks for the quiz and the programming assignment submission, you will not be getting a certificate unless and until you submit the project report, unless and until you work on a project. So towards the end of the course, that is once the theoretical concepts are taught to you, we will be giving you some reference books, some additional videos as reference so that you can use them for working on the project. For any queries and clarifications, raise it in the discussion forum or in the blog of our website. And very important point is please stick on to the deadlines given to you during the assignment submissions, project report submissions, as well as the quiz. I hope this basic information of the course was helpful to you. I wish you all the best throughout the complete course so that you understand and you can go ahead with the required knowledge for the higher level of learning the same course. Thank you.